Okay, for cost revenue function, these are word problems. They almost always work the same way. Let's say this is our problem. A cabinet maker has to buy a $4,000 new saw to make desks. So he spent $4,000 to get this saw, and every time he makes a desk, it costs $150 in materials. Every time he sells one, though, it's worth $400. What's my cost function? What's my revenue function? What's the break-even point? All of these cost functions and revenue functions work the same way, no matter what the problem is. It is going to be C of X is equal to the initial investment that they made, the bigger number of money that they paid up front. In this case, it was for the saw, and it was $4,000. But we've had other examples where they needed to buy, machinery, equipment, whatever it is, a car. There's that upfront cost, and it goes in here. And then there's the amount it takes per every time I make something, whether it's a t-shirt, a desk, or whatever. In our example, we're making desks. It costs them $150 per desk. This is always how the cost function goes. Initial investment plus amount of cost per unit times X every time. Cost is going to have these two elements in it. Then we need to find the revenue function, which is equal to the amount the item is sold for times X. So in our case, it's 400X. If they're making anything else, we've had boxes or t-shirts or bouquets of flowers, it doesn't matter. Whatever they sell them for times X is the revenue function. The break-even point is when we set those two equal to each other. Okay? Then I just solve for X. Do that real fast. That is 16. So that means after this person has made and sold 16 desks, he is broken even. He has the same amount coming in after he paid all of his costs. Okay? All of these go the same way.